Animal shelter officials say the big economic factors we talk about impacting Charlotteans are trickling down to the area's homeless pets, and it is worsening an already existing kennel crisis. But if you can believe this, the biggest test is actually yet to come, possibly later this month, when they say another big capacity hurdle arrives. Today, CMPD Animal Care and Control pleading with the public to help it save animal lives this summer.
Overflowing kennels and an earnest plea.
We're stretched, very thin.
CMPD Animal Care and Control calling on the community to open their homes to homeless pets this summer, as necessary construction in possibly a matter of weeks could remove dozens of critical spaces for a period of time. The project comes as the shelter is already swimming in cats and especially dogs. New numbers show part of the problem, with lost and abandoned dogs entering the shelter at their highest levels in 5 years. Dogs coming in because their owner was evicted are more than double the same time frame last year. Meantime, dogs getting adopted has sunk from 2021 and 2022, with a 20% decrease from last year to this.
When we get too full and we have nowhere to put animals, we have to make euthanasia decisions.
The shelter says some of its main barriers to getting and keeping dogs in homes include housing options. It says the boom in corporate-owned apartments, which frequently come with breed restrictions, can limit adoptability of its dogs. CMPD says 70 to 75% of its shelter dogs are on banned breed lists. There are also rising costs. The Bureau of Labor Statistics says in April, the cost of adopting and caring for a pet rose more than 10% from the year before. And then there's the boom in people population, which also translates to a rising pet population and an increased opportunity for lost, stray, and surrendered pets. City of Charlotte and census data shows Charlotte's population has roughly doubled in the 30 years since its shelter was first built.
And so the shelter says fostering, staycations, even if you find a lost pet, just reporting it to the shelter, but then holding that pet in your home for a few days can help with the space. As you can see here, it just unveiled a new dashboard so you can get a better idea of when these services are more urgently needed. So you can see this latest update from today. As of this morning, there were 76 dogs waiting to hit the adoption or lost kennels, but only 7 empty spaces. And that's really not good. This dashboard updates on Mondays and Fridays on the Animal Care website. And so you can see at the bottom of your screen there, and we're going to show you up in close detail now, the top 5 dogs in the shelter that need to get out on an adoption or foster today, if possible. We've got Ginger, Dino, Carlos, Joe, and Gigi, all very good puppers. Please open your hearts and your homes, and thank you everyone who is already doing so. We appreciate you so much.
Yeah, hopefully the community will step up and help, especially in the upcoming weeks here.